Now in the CAD CAM part of this, I showed you how I cut these corners off. Let's get it up to where you can see every corner was cut off in the program. The reasoning for that is if we look at this part, you can see that the rabbet ends before it cuts into the Isoloc joint. Now I ended it, there's a radius there, but the straight part ends right at the edge of the part. So there's really not room to put a corner into this, and it would be into my Isoloc joint and may weaken that joint. So I decided to trim off the corners. Let me see if I can show you how this works. When this goes in like, oh, I got it backwards. This is going to go in like this, with these corners flush. Inside, you'll see nothing but a nice clean corner. So that's how that joint works, and that's why I cut off the corners. Okay, we'll just do a dry fit assembly, and the next step is going to be to put some glue in. So got my part, there's the pins, tails are here on the table flat, and I'm just going to put a little pressure, bring that down. I'm going to do the same on this side. A little chip in there. There we go. Now we just got to do the same on the top. Help if I get the grooves lined up. Few light taps, nothing too serious, and that is an absolutely perfect fit. Not bad for an amateur.